How to turn off the green dots on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll show you on how to turn off the green dots that appears when you use your phone's camera or microphone. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to head towards the settings, scroll down, navigate to additional setting option, scroll down and look for developer option. Make sure that you have enabled developer option. Scroll down. Now look for quick setting developer tiles. In here, locate sensors off button. Simply turn on the button for sensors off. And after that, you need to swipe down from up of your screen to access your quick setting panel. Here at top left, you will see sensors off. Simply you need to tap on it and turn on the button for sensors off. This will disable all of your sensors including the camera and microphone. So after that the green dots will be turned off. So I have not been able to use these features because currently I need to use the screen recording features to record this video. But if you follow this step, you will successfully remove the green dots. Make sure with sensors turned off you won't be able to use the camera or microphone until you enable them again. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.